SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, I hope that you all are good at your home. My dear students, today we are going to start your new topic, that is time, that your and my watch is showing. So let's come with me to learn the same. Here we have the topic time, and as I would like to tell you that 60 seconds makes 1 minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour, 24 hours make 1 day, 7 days make 1 week, 15 days make 1 fortnight, 4 weeks make 1 month, and here we have 28, 29, 30 or 31 days in a month, 12 months in 1 year, 365 days make 1 year, and 366 days make 1 leap year. 1 year is anniversary. 10 years is decade. 25 years is silver jubilee. 50 years golden jubilee. 60 years diamond jubilee. 75 years platinum jubilee. 100 years 1 century. 1000 years 1 millennium. So these are some knowledgeable things for you. Now, denoting time. AM means anti-meridian, is used to denote the time from 12 midnight to 11:59, just before noon. PM, post-meridian, is used to denote the time from 12 noon to 11:59, just before midnight. Okay, now we are going to start another topic, that is filling the time. Here, if you will see, 5 o'clock is your clock is showing. Quarter to 2 means 1:45 your clock is showing. 10 minutes past 7, and this is the way of the time showing in the clock. 3:30 means 3:30, that is your clock showing. And these are the time that your all the clocks are showing here. 6:15, 5 minutes to 5, 8 o'clock, 6:45, right? Now, this is our another topic, that is geometrical shapes. And we have so many geometrical shapes here. If you will see, this is the cube, this is cone, this is rectangular prism, this is pyramid, and this one we have here cylinder, and here we have semi-sphere. Next, pentagonal prism and triangular prism, and the last one, your shape name is sphere shape. Students, these are the 3D shapes. Okay, now we are moving towards the directions. Students, basically we have 4 directions: east, west, north and south. But now we will learn some more directions. That is, this is the north, this is our northeast side, this is our east side, this is our southeast side, and this is our south side, this is our southwest side, and this one is our west side. Okay, and this is our device that shows the directions. Now, these are the name of the directions in English and in Hindi as well. So, north called Uttar in Hindi, south called Dakshin in Hindi, east called Purab in Hindi, west called Pachchim in Hindi, northeast called Ishan in Hindi, northwest called Vayavya in Hindi, southeast called Agnya in Hindi, southwest called Naraita in Hindi. And these are the name of your all the direction in Hindi and in English as well. You have to revise them. Now we have use compass to find Rohan's directions. Now this is the activity that you have to do with your teacher. Okay. Next one we have Indian currency. Indian currency means coins and notes. We find Indian currency in two manner, that is coin and notes. As you can see here, it is 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin and 20 rupees coin. And these are our notes. 1 rupee notes, 2 rupee notes, 5 rupees note, 10 rupee notes, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, and here we have 500 rupees note. Okay, so these are the part of our Indian currency, and our Indian currency find in two manner, that is note and coin. So my dear student, these are the topic of your today's class that you people have to revise by yourself again and again with your classmates. Okay, so I hope that you will keep on revising all the topic and make yourself healthy. That's it for today. Bye-bye.